To export your Zopa online banking data, follow these steps. First, log into your Zopa account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account summary page where you can view all your accounts. Next, click on the account for which you want to export the data. This will take you to the account details page where you can view your transaction history. Look for the export option, usually found at the top or bottom of the page, and click on it. You will be given the option to choose the file format for the export, such as CSV or Excel. Choose the format that is most compatible with your needs. You will also be asked to select the date range for the transactions you want to export. Choose the start and end dates accordingly. After selecting the file format and date range, click on the Export button to start the export process. Depending on the size of the data, this may take a few seconds or minutes. Once the export is complete, you will be prompted to save the file to your computer. It is a good practice to save the file in a secure location, such as an encrypted folder or an external hard drive. This will help protect your sensitive financial information from unauthorized access. Additionally, make sure to verify the integrity of the exported data by checking for any errors or discrepancies. Exporting your Zopa online banking data can be useful for a variety of purposes, such as tax preparation, budgeting, or financial analysis. By following these steps, you can easily export your data and use it to make informed financial decisions. Remember to always prioritize the security and integrity of your financial data when exporting and storing it.